Finger control in English. A guide to mastering delicate tasks. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and useful phrase, finger control. This term is commonly used in various contexts, and understanding it can enhance your English communication skills, especially when discussing precise or delicate tasks. Finger control refers to the ability to move and use one's fingers in a skilled and coordinated manner. It's essential in activities that require precision and delicacy, like playing a musical instrument, typing, or even threading a needle. In our daily conversations, when we talk about someone having good finger control, we're praising their ability to handle tasks that require fine motor skills. In this section, let's explore some everyday examples where finger control plays a crucial role. 1. Artists and craftsmen. They need exceptional finger control to create intricate designs. 2. Musicians. Whether it's playing the piano or strumming a guitar, musicians rely heavily on finger dexterity. 3. Surgeons. In medical procedures, precise finger movement can be the difference between success and failure. Improving your finger control can be beneficial. Here are some simple exercises. Finger stretching exercises. Regularly stretching your fingers can improve their flexibility. Dexterity games. Activities like playing with modeling clay or assembling small parts can enhance your coordination. Typing practice. Regular typing can also be a great way to improve finger control. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of the phrase, finger control, and its importance in various aspects of life. Remember, like any skill, improving finger control takes practice and patience. Keep practicing, and you'll see improvement over time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content.